You ready to see something cool? I thought so. No matter how hard I try, my shop always ends up messy. I try to keep it clean, I try to keep it organized, but it's always the smaller tools that are scattered all over the place. The screwdrivers, the utility knives, the tape measures, and I only have so many damn drawers. I have all this wasted space that I just don't use for storage. So today I'm going to show you this really inexpensive item, which I guarantee you probably already know about, to help organize your tools a little bit better in the garage or shop area. Now the whole reason I bought this little thing wasn't actually for the shop. It was for my microphone that I use to record my videos. I may have had a little mishap. So I actually lost the back magnetic piece right here to the microphone that I use. And well, that sucked, but I needed a replacement. I figured I'd try this, but it has so many more uses. Let me show you. So as mentioned, my toolbox is a freaking mess. I got tape measures, I got hammers, I got an axe, pool saw, utility knives, hammers, all that fun stuff. I sort of just piled this stuff up and there's no real area to put these things. So I actually went out and bought a rare earth magnet. I heard a lot of people talking about rare earth magnets, and because I heard so many people talk about rare earth magnets, I set out on a quest to find them.
I began looking everywhere for it, but I wasn't sure where to begin. I searched the highest of the highs, the lowest of the lows. The giant mushrooms were kind of cool, but still, no sign of it. Thought I'd find one in the jungles, but all I came across was the beast. How dare you! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh! Come and get some! Eventually I tamed the beast and we became good friends, but still yet no luck on finding what I was looking for. I knew eventually I would come across the rare mineral that so many have spoken of before. And that's when it hit me. I had a brainstorm, literally. I knew then what I had to do. And that was, buy that on Amazon.
And yeah, these things are crazy freaking strong. And really, not only are they helping me with the audio now, they're helping me around the shop. So I put one on the back of my toolbox, and you really don't even need the sticky pad that I'm going to show you here in a bit. It'll just grab on and stay there. I mean, it is crazy freaking strong. But tape measure, boom. Now, what's cool about these rare earth magnets, and by the way, I have nothing to do with this company. I only paid like $13 on Amazon for these. This one happens to be called Lovi Mag, and again, I have nothing to do with this company at all. They don't even know I'm making this video. And they're a little bit larger than a size of a quarter. And what's crazy about these, I can feel this already wanting to go. They're crazy strong. The one thing you gotta watch out for are they are crazy brittle. So if I get too close like I did just there and they slam up against each other, they're going to break. But if you use them normally, you just put them up on your toolbox or on your workbench, you won't have an issue with it. But what's cool about this is if I have a wooden surface or a plastic surface or whatever, they come with these little stickies on the back here. You just peel it, put it on there, throw that on your workbench or whatever you want to put it on. And now I can put my utility knife, my screwdriver, or whatever else I want on there, just like that. And as mentioned, this is not sped up. These things are crazy super strong. If you attach this to metal, they will stick, and it is tough to let these things go. And it does state very clearly on the box, if you have a pacemaker, you might not want to mess around with these. You also got these plastic rings that go in between these magnets. So when you're trying to pull them apart, they make it a little bit easier right out of the box. But if you're not careful, they'll smash up just like that one there did. And just like mentioned earlier, you do have those sticky 3M adhesives. So you put one on the back of the magnet, and if you got some wood, you just throw it up on top like so. And now if you have a saw blade or whatever else you want to hang, you just, well, toss it up on top of there like this. And that, my friends, is real nice like. And even though this might not be rocket science, maybe it's a helpful tip that you didn't think about. I mean, honestly, I never thought about using rare earth magnets around the shop until somebody pointed it out that there are such things as rare earth magnets.
So sorry I don't know everything like I should.
Just be careful because these things latch on and they are strong. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check these things out on Amazon. Again, we have nothing to do with this company. I bought this with my own money, but I want to know what you think. Would you use something like this around the shop, the garage? Do you use something like this around the shop, in the garage? I love hearing your feedback. It always interests me to see what other people have to say. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Greatly appreciated. I always appreciate you stopping by. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.